Hey, let me ask you something. Do you want to be rich someday? I mean really rich. Not just in your bank account, but in your time, your freedom, and the way you live your life? Then listen carefully, because most people waste their youth chasing the wrong things. Rule number 1. Don't wait. Start now. You're never too young to build wealth. People keep saying, I'll start when I'm ready. But guess what? That day never comes. You've got time now. Use it. Even if it's small steps, take them. They matter. Rule number 2. Don't chase money. Chase value. Learn how to solve problems. Learn how to think. Learn how to do something useful. Money doesn't chase laziness. It follows value. If you're valuable, you'll get paid. Simple. Rule number 3. Protect your energy like it's gold, because it is. Stop wasting your time on people who drain you. Stop scrolling for hours like it's free. That time, you never get it back. Use it to build something. Here's rule 4. Learn how money works. Don't just earn it, understand it. You'd be surprised how many people make 6 figures but stay broke. Why? Because they never learned how to budget, invest, or multiply their income. Don't be that person. Read, watch, learn, ask questions. Rule 5. Keep your circle tight. You become like the people you hang around. So ask yourself, are your friends pushing you forward or pulling you back? If they're not leveling up, maybe it's time you level away. Rule 6. Take risks while you're young. You've got less to lose now and more to gain. Start that business. Build that brand. Move to that city. Everyone's scared. The successful ones do it anyway. And rule 7. Stay consistent, even when it's boring. Motivation comes and goes. But discipline, that's the real game. Show up even when no one's clapping. That's when winners are made. So what now? Are you going to just keep dreaming? Or are you going to build the life you actually want? It's your time. Don't waste it.